We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory, yeah, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back.
Hey guys, it's your girl Hunty, it's your girl Hunter. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's just a very chill vlog. It's the weekend, I'm not really doing anything, which is fine. Like, let's normalize not doing a lot. Like, on our days off, we don't have to run ourselves like rampant. Like, let's just normalize relaxing, if you know what I mean. But it's the weekend and your girl has off and we're just chilling. I just got lunch with my sister. She was on her lunch break, so we grabbed food. We went to this place, it was called like Gusha. It's here in like Alpharetta, like part of Georgia. It was really good. It was like brown rice. It had some like edamame. You guys saw, it was very good. I didn't finish all my food. I don't know what's going on with me. My appetite has been very weird lately. Like, I'm either hungry or I'm not. It's just been kind of weird. But yeah, so I got lunch with my sister, but I'm about to go to Goodwill. There's a Goodwill around here and I want to try out a Goodwill here, see what I can find. I love thrifting. Like, thrifting is so much fun to me. I like finding, you know, you guys know like my style. I kind of like retro kind of stuff, like early 2000s 90s fashion. So hopefully I can find some good stuff. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and if I find some good stuff, fingers crossed, I'll show you guys. But thank you guys so much for just all the love and all the support. We are so close to 400 subscribers. I am so happy. It makes me happy because this journey has not been easy. You know, it has been a process, but I'm so glad I've been able to share just parts of my life with you guys and with people who actually like truly genuinely care about me. So I'm just so excited, and I'm very grateful for every single subscriber I have, everybody who engages with me, everyone who watches my videos, comments, likes. Like, it means a lot to me. It just makes me so happy, and it makes me happy when you guys comment on my stuff and be like, it just makes me happy. I love YouTube. I love making videos. It's not easy every day. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but it's something that I really enjoy. So yeah, but yeah, let's get on. I want to get this show on the road because it's supposed to start raining again, and I don't like driving when it's raining. But yes, guys, I've been wearing my hair in a bun, as you guys can see. I need a new hairstyle, like ASAP. I'm actually going on another trip, quick little getaway, and I want to do something different with my hair for 4th of July weekend. I just don't know what to do. Also need to get my nails done. They're looking real crusty, but I ordered these really cute press-on nails from this girl. Another one of my favorite YouTubers was wearing one of her press-on nails, so I bought them. So I'm waiting for those to come in. I'm gonna show you guys when I get them, obviously. But yes, I've been talking a lot, so let's go to Goodwill. All right, so about to go in. This Goodwill looks really nice, so hopefully they have some stuff. I just ended putting, I'm wearing a whole girl outfit right now, but I just put this on because I felt like my tank top, like, it was just a little bit too much for the Goodwill. So, but it's starting to rain. Let's go. Oh my god, I hate the rain. Oh.
When the trenches relax, can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig, she telling me Tay is the best. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper, you build me, you won't get straight.
Guys, I'm back. My car tripod thing broke, of course, so I'm like trying to film the best way I can. But I got a nice big bag of stuff. See, whenever I go into Goodwill, I have a vision. Like, I just have a vision. Like, when I see stuff, I'm like, okay, I could really create like a fit. Like, I could really create an outfit. And so I just went in. I had a vision. I got some stuff. So I'm gonna go home and then I'm gonna like try the stuff on and just see how it's gonna look and everything. This looks really crazy right now, but and just see how everything's like gonna look and see if I can come up with some outfits, show you guys like kind of like my inspiration that I had. But yes, I always tell people are like, how do you go thrifting? Like, isn't it so overwhelming? Me in my mind, I kind of already know like my style and like my kind of flow. So once you figure out like what you vibe with and what you don't vibe with, it's kind of easier. But just go in there, don't be too overwhelmed. Like, I always do a rundown of the men's section, see what kind of like oversized shirts they have. They didn't really have any today, but I'll show you. You have to have a vision of like what you like and like what's your inspiration. So when I get home, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm about to hit the road because it looks like it is about to storm. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. You see those clouds? Like, it looks like it's about to storm. But yes, guys, I'm super excited. I love thrifting because I just love thrifting. It makes me so happy. But I will see you guys when I get home and then once I try everything on and everything like that. So stay tuned if you want to see what I got from Goodwill. Okay guys, so I have on the first outfit. So I cut it and it's a cute like crop top now, and I have on the pants. The pants were way too big, but I did make it work. So yes, I think that this outfit is definitely cute. It's definitely me. It's definitely something that I would wear in real life. So yes, super cute. 10 out of 10. What do we rate this, guys? I rate this a 10 out of 10 because this is definitely something I would wear. I would maybe wear this with like one of my little easy slide things, or even a pair of my heels that I got from DSW. I don't know if you guys have seen them. I don't know if I've showed them on my YouTube, but I really like this. Super casual, cute. I like it. It's definitely me. It's definitely screaming hunter. It's definitely, I like the green. Super cute. That's what we like. It's what I like to see. Honey, the vision came together and we executed it, period. So this next outfit is just how I would style like the pink polo. Honestly, I kind of like the nude colors and the pink. It's cute. If I were to style this another way, I might wear like some jean shorts and another crop top. But for now, I was really trying to see like how I could style everything with what I have that I got while thrifting. So this is how I would style this outfit, just like off the shoulders. Very casual, cute. But yes, this is how I would style that. I'm actually a fan of these pants because it matches with a lot of my tan crop tops and stuff that I have. But maybe in another video, I can try and style this pink polo and like, or pink button up in a different way. But this is the vibe I'm getting right now. So like casual, cute, you know. Then of course, I have this just basic green top, green t-shirt. I would literally just wear this with some jeans, call it a day, or some shorts and call it a day. But it's always good to have some like just casual, you know, t-shirts to wear. Like you could layer this with something probably, but it's just, you know, probably something I would wear to sleep maybe, but it does what it's supposed to do. But yeah, I was really glad I found this because it'd be rare trying to find like good solid colored t-shirts because everything be having write-ins on it. But I actually really like this, and I like the color because it's like a sage green. I'm feeling it with my jeans. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. So at first I was really hesitant for this dress. I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit, but I'm a fan. I like it. It's actually not as short as I thought it was gonna be. I feel like it's like the perfect little like t-shirt dress. What is this called? Like a ribbed dress. You guys know what I'm trying to say. But like, this is cute. You know, it's form-fitting. You know, we're wearing more form-fitting clothing around here. We're embracing our curves over here. But yeah, I like this. It's really casual, but you can definitely like add your own flair to the outfit. So like I might wear some sneakers with this or heels. It really just depends on what the vibes are. But I really like this. I was scared that it wasn't gonna fit, but it fits. And it's super cute, actually. I really like it. I really like simple, casual stuff, but at the same time, you can like make it your own, dress it up however you want to dress it up and stuff like that. So like, okay, Goodwill. Okay, I like this Goodwill that I went to. I really do. This was a good one. Okay, guys, last but not least, I have the dress, which I actually really like. When I put it on, I was like, ah, it actually looks really cute. I'm digging it. I like it. So I'm a fan. Like, I'm really a fan of this dress. It has slits on the side, like I mentioned, so you can show a little leg, show a little leg. And then I like the back because as you guys can see, it kind of scoops down just like a little bit. I kind of wish I had a back tag too because that would look nice. But anyways, I really like this dress. 10 out of 10. Like, okay, I wasn't expecting to find it because you know when you go thrifting, there's just so many options and there's just so much stuff. You just never know if you're gonna find something that you really like. And I found something I really liked. I really like this. Like, this is something I actually see myself wearing. Like I said, I like the colors. It's bright, it's a different pattern. It's something I normally really wouldn't wear, but I actually really like it. So yes, guys, I'm a fan. I like it. I am happy. I'm definitely digging it. This is definitely a vibe. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That is the last thing that I got from Goodwill. I hope you guys really like this video and enjoyed this type of content that I have for you guys. I will definitely let me know down below if you guys want me to go thrifting more and like try to find more things and how I like put outfits together and stuff like that. Let your girl know. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It means so much to me. It makes me so happy. But yeah, guys, just let me know. And like always, in the comments, let me know if you guys want me to make any type of videos about anything. Let your girl know. The more suggestions, the better. But that's all I have today. And of course, like I already said, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are so close to 400 subscribers. I'm so excited. I celebrate every single milestone. No milestone is too little to celebrate. So I'm super excited and stoked for us to reach 400 subscribers. But thank you guys so much. That's all I have for today. And I will see you guys next week for another video.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby.